What's up? Today I'm going to make a Chilean drink right here called Mote con Huesillo, and I had this when I was in Chile. Had it once on the streets the first day, and then the second, or early on at least, and then the last day I had to have it again because it was so good. So I'm gonna teach you how to make this drink. It's got wheat berries kind of at the bottom, and then dried peaches that were soaked, and then a liquid that I'll show you how to make.
First, you'll need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a half cup of sugar, a cup of wheat berries. I just use farro, and soak it overnight or for about 8 hours, and 4 cups of water, 1 or 2 cinnamon sticks, a cup of dried peaches. My fridge is freezing, so I guess I get some ice too, and soaked for about 8 hours or overnight, and 4 cups of water. So first, we're going to add, well, in this case we're going to add the ice, but we're going to add the water that is holding the peaches. I'm just going to add the water because I don't really want it to splash when the peaches fall in, so we're going to add the peaches next. After adding the peaches, we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. After adding the 2 tablespoons, we're going to mix all up so the brown sugar kind of dissolves in the mixture. Then we're going to let it boil for about 45 minutes. And after that 45 minutes, we will add the half cup of sugar, as well as the 1, or if you really like cinnamon, 2 sticks of cinnamon. And then we're going to mix it up so that sugar also dissolves. Then we're going to cook it for about 30 minutes more, and we're left with this. And we're gonna mix it up just a little bit and take it off the burner. Now we're gonna be working with the wheat berries. So we're gonna get rid of the water here, and we're gonna do that with this strainer. So we're trying to get all the wheat berries out. After getting everything out, we're going to wash it out because we don't want that kind of whitish, almost milky water in there. So we're going to clean that out until we get water kind of looking like that. That's normal color. And we're going to put it in a pot. And we're gonna cover the wheat berries with water, just enough so that it is covered. Then we're going to cook it for about 25 minutes. Then we're going to remove it from heat. We're going to pour it into the strainer again to kind of get rid of all that excess liquid. Now we're going to rinse out the wheat berries so that it's kind of cleaner, because they'll probably have a whitish, almost that milky color. We're going to rinse it until it's clear. After that, we have everything cooked, so we just have to do the mixing. And we're going to use the wheat berries, this mixture that we have with the peaches, and then since most of my water evaporated, I'm going to add a little bit of extra water. So I put the wheat berries in first, then the mixture, and now I'm adding some water. You can add as much as you want. The flavor's still there from the mixture. So if you want more flavor, then just add more water or less water, however you like it. And we're gonna mix it up here. And this is what you're left with. Mote con Huesillo.
All right, now we're ready to serve it. So what you need to do, take first the wheat berries here at the bottom. And I guess if you get some of the peaches, that's fine. Once you have a good amount of those wheat berries down there, you're gonna get a couple of peaches, one or two, depending on how much you want. So here's one. I'm gonna break it up in here so they're not huge chunks. Here's the other one. Break that one up too. And then we can put a little bit of this liquid in. And maybe if some peaches come down with it, that's fine. Alright. So how you eat it is, I guess, up to you, but you can eat some of the berries and peaches together, get some liquid, kind of however you want.